Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into some big news that will affect thousands of investors here in the Philippines. Recently, SEC has decided to ban Etoro, the trading platform, from the Philippines. I've talked more about it on this video, so make sure to check that out before watching this video. So, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng update regarding this. Because of this, Etoro will no longer accept trades or let us hold our funds in the platform. It's a pretty big shift, especially pag malaki ang ininvest natin and matagal na tayong nag-i-invest sa platform na to. So here's an important update by Etoro. So it says here, your account will be closed on December 5th, 2024. Etoro will stop providing services to users in the Philippines on December 5th, 2024. After this date, all positions will be closed by Etoro and your account will be considered as closed or terminated. You may only access your account for the purpose of withdrawing your funds. Just the other day, I tried to move some of my copy trades from one person to another. Unfortunately, hindi ko na siya nagawa because we can no longer make trades and deposit money from the platform. So it says here, the transfer of supported crypto assets to the Etoro Money crypto wallet must be completed by December 1st, 2024. From December 15, your Etoro Money crypto wallet will be blocked. Please ensure that you send any crypto assets from the Etoro Money crypto wallet to an external wallet before this date. So if naka-invest kayo sa crypto, make sure na magawa nyo to before the deadline. Fund withdrawal, you have until January 19, 2025 to request the withdrawal of funds from your account. So if you have open trades right now, I advise that you close it. If we do not withdraw our funds by January 19, 2025, there could be possible consequences. So, ito yung mga posibleng scenarios. Inability to access funds or trade. After the deadline, posibleng we may no longer be able to access our accounts. Once Etoro shuts down the Philippine, most likely, hindi na tayo makakapag-withdraw ng mga funds natin. Or, more restrictions para maka-withdraw. Kumbaga, mas mahirap tayong maka-withdraw. Number 2 is risk of frozen funds. If funds are not withdrawn before the deadline, posibleng i-freeze ni Etoro yung account natin and it would make it difficult or impossible for us to withdraw our funds. Automatic transfer or liquidation. I'm not saying na gagawin talaga ni Etoro to. It's just a possibility. Again, these are based on my opinions. But posibleng ma-transfer din yung fund natin to other platforms. And posibleng we will lose control of our funds and incur additional fees. Number 4 is the withdrawal process. The sooner you initiate the withdrawal process, the smoother the transition will be. So don't wait for the deadline. I advise na i-withdraw nyo na yung portfolio nyo. You can do this by connecting it to your bank accounts, e-wallets, or other methods. Make sure to stay tuned on Etoro's announcements and i-monitor nyo yung account nyo. Now, some of you might think baka pwedeng gumamit ng VPN so that they couldn't identify us na we are from the Philippines. Using VPN to hide your location and get access from the Philippines is technically possible, but it comes with several significant risks and drawbacks. Number 1 is violation of Etoro's terms and services. Etoro explicitly states in its terms and conditions that users must provide accurate and truthful information, and that includes your location or address. Using your VPN to hide your location could be considered as violation of the rules, which could lead to the suspension or termination of your account. Another one is risk of account closure. If na-detect nila that you are using VPN to bypass geographic restrictions, pwede nilang i-close yung account nyo because it was clearly specified that Etoro is banned from the Philippines by SEC. And this could result to permanent ban from the platform. Another one is legal implications. The SEC's decision to ban Etoro in the Philippines is a regulatory matter. Attempting to bypass this will expose you to potential legal issues. Ang labas nito is illegal ang ginagawa nyo. And as stated on the SEC notice, you can be fined for up to 500,000 pesos or more. Security concerns is another thing. While VPNs can offer more privacy and security, using unreliable VPNs could result to data leaks or security breaches, poor encryption, or even malware. Limited platform features. Even though nakasucceed kayo in creating a VPN, posibleng there are still limitations due to geographical restrictions, including withdrawals, deposits, or account verification process. While a VPN could allow you temporary access to Etoro, it is not a suitable or recommended solution. The best course of action is to comply with SEC's ruling and withdraw your funds as soon as possible from the platform. But there is still a way for you to access your account. If you have an address in another country, then you can change your address to that non-restricted country. The platform, of course, will ask you to verify your address by submitting proof that you actually live on this country, like a billing statement with your name and address. So this is the legal way of actually retaining your account in Etoro. So you're probably wondering what to do next. Here are some suggestions or other options that you might consider. Number one is look for regulated platforms in the Philippines. So you could shift to locally regulated platforms such as COL Financial or First Metro Securities and others. These options are regulated and offer some peace of mind because they comply with the Philippine financial laws. Number two is consider international platforms with SEC approval. These platforms meet the SEC standards, which means they are safer and legally compliant to the Filipino investors. Diversify investment strategies. You could also consider diversifying your investment strategy. Mutual funds, local stocks, and bonds are some of the examples. You may use these SEC-regulated institutions in order to grow your money without solely relying on international trading platforms. So again, guys, withdraw your funds promptly. Make sure to follow Etoro's instructions and withdraw your funds from your account as soon as possible. Don't wait until the last minute. To wrap things up, the SEC's decision to ban Etoro from the Philippines is a really big shift. I'm disappointed because my copy trades on the platform were really doing good and nakakapanghinayang that wala na akong access sa mga yon. But it highlights also the importance of investing in regulated platforms. Remember, your money safety should always be a priority. There are still plenty of ways and other options for us to grow our money. A little bit of research and educating ourselves is the best path to our financial journey. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. For more videos similar to these about finance, investments, or anything in between, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about SEC's decision to ban Etoro from the Philippines. I'd love to hear from you guys and see you on the next video. Bye!